The Other Side of Happiness by Hayashi Fumiko. Kinuko met Shinichi, who had lost one eye in the war, during a matchmaking meeting on the second floor of a laundry shop. From their first meeting, Kinuko felt a strong affection for the kind and gentle Shinichi. Within a week, the two got married and returned to Shinichi's hometown, Omaezaki. Without knowing Shinichi's past, Kinuko began living peaceful days with him. One day, Shinichi confessed he had a child, leaving Kinuko shocked. Shinichi revealed that his wife had left him, and he had raised their child alone. He said he had sent the child into foster care and still loved them deeply, even after surviving the war. Shinichi regretted not telling Kinuko about his past from the beginning and apologized. Though confused at first, Kinuko resolved to accept both Shinichi's past and his child. The couple went to see Shinichi's child, and Kinuko imagined building a happy family.
The Other Side of Happiness is a delicate portrayal of emotional healing between a wounded man, Shinichi, and a woman, Kinuko, who chooses to accept his burdens. Set in the uncertain post-war period, the story explores Shinichi's painful past, abandoned by his wife, raising a child alone, and losing an eye in war. His inner conflict between honesty and fear of loss reflects deep human vulnerability. Kinuko's inner struggle and quiet resolve to become a mother to his child highlights the strength of post-war women. Ultimately, the story suggests that true family is built not only through blood, but through shared love and understanding.